Now, the last what we need to do, as I said before, is to make all logic connect to our view control to fetching all data and showing to the user, okay? So we will switch to the TableViewController and we added a property in our code, and it will be property and it will be property array of videos, okay? Okay, so it will be array of any object, okay, and 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 we will load the videos now by this function, okay. So well, I got some error. Okay, some Xcode bug again. So now so now so now we got the downloaded fetched videos and saved to the videos, okay. So what we need to do now is very simple. First of all, when we load the videos, okay, we have to register our view cell, okay. So we have to make table view, and on the table view we have to call the register nib, and it will be nib name is the view cell because our CIB cell is named view cell CIB, okay. And the reuse identifier will be very simple, and we have to go to the view cell CIB and set the reuse identifier of our table view cell, okay. So here when you click the table view cell, you got here reuse identifier, and we just call it cell, simple cell, okay. So now we know it is called cell, okay, and we have to make it different, and we have to make UI name, and it will be name. So, and NS bundle is NS bundle main bundle, okay, because the view cell CIB is in the main bundle of the application. So now we got loaded the CIB, okay. So what we need to do now, okay, so we need to set the numbers of section in table view, okay. So I just remove the commented lines, and the section will be only one, okay, the main. So next we got the function number of rows in section. So this function says how many rows is in this one section, okay. So how many videos we have? So it is simple. I will just ask my array of videos and I say count, okay. So this will return the number of videos in our array, and this is what we need to do to say how many rows we need to create, okay. So now we got this function commented and we need to use it, okay. So before that we have to set the height of the row, okay. So I just remove this line of code and I will call table view, and I have to find the function height for row at index path, okay, and I will return the 90, okay, because the size of the image is 90, okay. So this function just said the row height will be 90, okay. So now we got some information. Okay, so we got some things. Okay, so we got the height for row and index path. So now what we need to do is just check to make this cell for row at index path, and then we have to make the function for creating, or not creating, for fetching the event if the user tap on the row, okay, on the cell. Okay, so it will be called, it is function did selected row at index path. Okay, so what we need to do now is just simple, and we have to just dequeue our cell. Okay, and the reuse identifier is cell, as we said before here. Okay, so it is cell, and we have to cast this as our table view cell class. Okay, so now we can set all the things what we need to set. Okay, so we just call the cell, and we set the title label to text. Okay, and we just say videos, self videos, and object, and we take the object and index path row. Okay, so this will pick some video from the videos array, and it will be picked from the identity row. Okay, so this will pick something, and now what we need to do is we have to call the object for key. Okay, because in the videos are stored dictionaries, as you can see here. Okay, so dictionary, and we have to take the key for the title. Okay, so it is just title, and we have to say it is a string. Okay, so just try to run it. I will try to run it, and we will see what happened. Okay, the Xcode crashed. So I'll try it again. So let's see if I get some error. So now, as you can see, we got the titles of the videos, but the images are missing, and so on and so on. Okay, so I forgot some function here, so we added it because this status bar is ugly. We just added the preferred status bar hidden, and we will return true. Okay, so what we need to do now is to set the other cell data. Okay, so we say the description label text to, and I just copy this, and now description label is here, so the key is description. Okay, now we have to set the the date label. Okay, so the date label is here, so just key is date, and the last one is duration label. Okay, so we will set the duration label, and the duration label is here, duration. Okay, and the last thing what we need to set is we have to set data handler fetch image, and we have to pass the cell image view. Okay, and as URL we have to say hey. Okay, and we cancel. We have to store the URL. Okay, so I just make URL, and I will pass the URL here. Okay, and the key is here, video URL. Okay, so now if I run the application, I can't run the application because Xcode failed again. So I will try to run the application. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So as you can see, we got the information, we got the description, we got the date, we got the time and duration, but our images are not shown. So we have some error somewhere. So we will try where is the problem. Okay, so I will go to the data handler and check this again. So what's the problem now? So I will show you next time how to make the load of the images. Okay, and I will show you how to make playing the video if the player click on the cell, and how to show the alert if the user is not connected to the internet. Okay, so I will show you next time.